Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. You know, I don't even want to admit or think about how many times I've actually made this video. It has been a challenge. My SD card apparently went bad. I've tried all kinds of stuff to fix this, and it's just not working well. So guys, if you're here watching this, this is a Shapeoko video, not a Glowforge video, but we do some stuff with the Glowforge on the next video. So what we did on this video, guys, is we're making a frame for laser engraving on. Obviously, this isn't a hard project for the Shapeoko. All we're doing is making a flat surface in the center, cool little frame around the outside, cut it off the board, and we're pretty much done. Now, like I said, most of my video got messed up with the SD card reader not working right and my SD card going bad. I'm going to put in the video that I have. Luckily, the whole part of me designing this on the computer came out. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is me designing it on the computer, and if that's the part you're looking for, you can stop after that. Do me a favor, guys, like, subscribe. This has been a heck of a video to get out for you guys, so I could use some positive love on this video. Throw me a thumbs up for the umpteen times I've tried to shoot this video for you guys. This is a great money maker for you guys. If you're looking for something fun and easy for a Glowforge project, find a Shapeoko, find a CNC machine person who will make you some cool frames. Guys, if you're a Shapeoko person, this is a great little add-on when your CNC machine isn't busy. It doesn't have to be huge. This is, I think, 200 millimeters. So, not too bad. Alright guys, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And I'll show you what I have left from this horrific video shooting experience. Alright, thanks guys.
Alright guys, I'm going to assume that during my intro I've already told you all the good stuff that we're doing today. So let's jump into this. I'll take the retro sign number 2 clip art. My width of this board is 210 millimeters. My thickness was 19. And we can make the height whatever we want, obviously, because we're running the long grain on the board. Alright. I want to give myself my border, so I have room to put my clamps on. And let's start doing this. Now guys, I've been doing a lot of stuff for the Shapeoko this summer. Unfortunately, not much of it has been really exciting to put up on camera, up on YouTube. A lot of it has been doing stuff for the farmers market, and that's just not terribly exciting for everybody. What am I doing wrong? There we go. Yep, you can tell guys, I haven't been doing a lot of stuff for the laser. Make this 250 high. There we go. Alright, so we're going to make this real simple today. We're not doing anything fancy. We're going to select our model, hit the tracing tool over here under models, and we should have our cool little line there that goes around the outside. See that? Automatically traces it for us. Curl C, curl V. Nope, that was not the right button. Undo. Sorry guys, I'm reaching around my camera to see my keyboard. CV. And we're going to stretch that out some so I can find it when I'm out of here. And rotate it instead of stretched it. There we go. So I'm going to use a 1/4 inch bit to hog out a lot of my material. So I need to have a big gap around it. Make it a little bit easier on myself. We're going to center it all. Nothing is still selected. That shouldn't have happened. Why is that not doing what I want it to? Alright, we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah, I want that bigger. Alright guys, I'm going to fuss with this for a minute and not talk. And we'll just speed up through this section of the video. I'm going to go over to node edit mode and do it the hard way. Because I have projects to do and money to make, and I can't sit here all day and fuss with this. You know what would be even easier? I mean, this is doing what it's supposed to do. This is not. This is me being rusty at using this software. We're going to draw that. Go in here to right click, node editing mode, and we're just going to drop some stuff in here. Insert point, insert point. Let's bring some of this stuff in a little bit. Go, just so I'm not wasting too much time hogging out stuff that I don't have to. Alright, well, that was a little bit more clumsy than I had anticipated. Let's go into roughing mode, and we're going to rough this in using, check my material thickness, gap above model. Let's say it's 1 millimeter. Just in case my board's uneven or my beds or something's out of cattywampus on me. Okay. So that's 0.1. Come on. So we're going to select a 0.25 end mill, because that's what I have sitting out there. We're going to select vector model. We're going to select this point, this, and this. Why can't I select the model? Select this point. There's only one model there. I guess we're assuming that's what we're doing. Calculate. There we go. That's what we're looking for. And we're going to come back out here to finishing. Do the same thing. So if we're going to select the, I don't want an end mill, I want a ball nose. 9% step over 800, plunger 250. Good enough for my machine. Yes, I know it could run a little bit faster, but it's a finishing pass. We'll hit calculate. And let's preview, make sure we didn't skip anything here. Now with most models, I would run 2 finishing passes, one going left to right and one doing a circle, just so you can get the best results. But we're just doing a frame today. I know, this seems weird, we're just doing a frame. We'll get to it in a minute, guys. Alright, so we also need to cut this free. So come over here, cut depth 19, and I'm going to add tabs. We're going to ramp this, and where are my tabs going to show up on this thing? Hopefully not somewhere stupid. Tab there, 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 and there. Close. Calculate. Okay. So we're going to save this as 2 different toolpaths when we save this, because we're using 2 different bits and my machine doesn't have a bit changer. So let's calculate all the toolpaths. Alright, everything's all set, everything's all calculated. We're going to preview it all. While that's working, we're getting out our thumb drive. Stick that in the computer here. Yeah, we know. There's problems. So cut today, 3D model, and we're going to call this 1/4 is 1/4 inch bit, and first, save it, come down here, so these are using different bits. Inch, almost. Oh, that one says it's using an end mill. Select ball nose. There we go. Yeah, so if you don't have the same bits selected, it won't let you group them in the same path, which is good because I might not have caught that. So this is going to be a 1/8 inch bit, so 1/8 and second is that is the second path we're going to run. I know, such a complicated system I have going here, guys. Alright, let's head on out to the barn and get this going. Well, I'm not a good little YouTuber, guys. I had an extra battery in the house that was charged. So, I'm going to put our clamps down here. I'm going to break my watch. So, we're going to be shooting this on the GoPro today on a time lapse. Hopefully that works. If not, I'll come in here and grab a couple pictures now and again with my phone. We'll throw those in there for you. So, why do I have 2 routers? If you've watched me for a while,
The first one I got had some issues, and I bought a second one so I'd have a backup. If this is a hobby for you, then you don't much care. If this is what your job is and what you depend on for making your living, then you care a lot. And I have a big shelf of extra parts back there for a lot of these projects. And grab my mechanical pencil, make a mark on my board that I'm going to line up on all day. That's good. Turn on my little light for screw the light bulb in, turn the light on so I can see my mark over here. Power's not on yet. All the clamps are out of the way, good clearance and everything. Alright, we're going to line up on the X and get started. Get the camera set up to go. So we'll be back in a second here, guys. Okay guys, so the CNC machine finished. We left it here for a little bit, so my clothes were different. It came out beautifully. So let's see how this tape comes off though. Well, that tape's got a really good hold. Yeah, it does. Okay, we're going to have to get a tool to get it off. Well, apparently that Gorilla Tape, or the double-sided duct tape, right here, that there works really well. Cringe, guys. I'm using a chisel. Okay. Well, I'm going to get some other tools and we'll try this in a second. Ooh, wrench. was unfortunately painful coming off. Alright, so that came off. And the CNC work came out beautifully, guys. I'm going to take this over the bandsaw, cut my 4 tabs off, see if I can't peel the tape off, and then we will look again at this. So it looks like the tape ruined my MDF, but it comes off the cherry wood really nice. Oh yeah, no sticky residue on the back of the cherry where it came off. Well, this part's working out better than I thought. I was afraid we'd be doing goo gone and all kinds of crazy sanding to get this off. Alright, so the tape comes off well. Seeing is a little rough, but I was running it a little bit faster than I normally do. And my bit was sticking out pretty far so I could cut the outside edge. Alright, bandsaw, then sanding.